Okay, I was making something for my SB220 Heathkit. So if you look at the front, exception of this hole, I wonder why did they make this hole, and also missing meters. I'm gonna fix some retro meters from some other brand. Doesn't matter as long as they're working and I'm showing what they're supposed to show. This list of problem, but I did little modification, because the plate, it's so sharp. What I did is I had also all the summer camp transmitter. Bit enough, it's not receiver, but it's only transmitter. So I had no use for this one because I have already two radios here, two Kenwoods. So I disconnected my pieces, I took the parts out, and then I pulled these reductions out. Handle-liter reductions out. So what I did, if you look at the front, looks all original, yeah? But with one difference, look carefully. Try to make it sharp as possible. Look at this. Nice. So now you don't have a sharp cutout, you can regulate it. See? Beautiful, huh? And I use the aluminum plate from original knob, you see? It's not tied up, I put it here to show it. See? It's in one piece. But I disconnect this aluminum disc from the knob and I put a little foam spacer, not to scratch each other, to make it nice and soundless. And look at this. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this. Hoppa. See? Now you won't have sharp cutout. You will have it smooth. Yes. Hoppa. And it looks like this from the other side. This is the linear I'm fixing. I have a second one there. Yeah, I have second one there. It's no problem. Same one, but look at this. It's nice reduction. Just connect it. Look, the knob is make it very nice. I can regulate it. Fine, look at this. It's beautiful.